So the first item that I got from Nasty Girl was this beautiful white button dress. Love the fit and feel of this dress. I got it in a size UK 8 and it fits immaculately to my body. Like, it is very, very true to size. Can you see the back? And the front as well. So I've got great support in the front of the chest. I'm not wearing a bra and I feel supported. I love the lines, the stitching effect, because it makes my waist go inwards and look all nice and small. And then you've got a nice lined material and very comfy around the hips. So this is a perfect, cute little summery dress. Can be worn in so many different occasions, like, you know, to the park, exploring a new country. It's really nice and light, but it's very well lined, which I'm really happy about, because I love white things, but sometimes white can be very see-through, especially with my skin color. But this is just perfect, and you can tell I love the buttons on the side. Just a little simple dress with a little bit of detail that just makes it look even more special. Sorry, my nose is running, but yeah, you've got the spaghetti straps, and they are adjustable. But I think this dress is just amazing, absolutely fabulous. The next item that I got from Nasty Girl were these beautiful gold earrings. They're very on trend. I've seen them so much, but I've wanted them for so long, but they're always like out of stock. These ones are from Nasty Girl and they were only like £3.60, so very good price. They're just a nice and simple earring, but they really just put an outfit together, add that kind of gold detail. I will try them on for you as well. Let's hope my ear hole is easy today. Ooh, is it gonna be? So that's what they look like on. And I must add that they are not heavy on. They look heavy, but they're very, very light. If you can see, the back is not filled in. And that, I think, really contributes to the fact that they're not heavy. They're really, really okay to wear. I have worn them all day once and had no problems. The next item from Nasty Girl was this really cute and fun leopard print top. Love the colours, love the look of this top. So it's got this nice kind of gathering effect at the top of the shoulders, which just gives it like a bit of a lift. I just love that look. And it's got elastic at the ends, that just gives it another cool and fun effect. The print of this is everything. I just love it. It looks so nice on. However, when I bought this item, the picture is a tiger print, and this is different to the one that I actually wanted to arrive, though I prefer this one, I have to say. So I'll put a link to this one, but you will notice it's a different top to this one that I have. I know I'm being confusing. So the one on the website is a tiger print and it's like brown. This one is leopard print and it's black. I don't know, I think there's an oopsie, bit of a mistake on the website, but this is the top that you will receive if you click on that link. But I love this top, and I really like, it's got a tie-up effect in the front, which is nice. It means that it's nice and easy for everyone to wear. It doesn't matter what your boob size is, we can all get into this top, so I love that. I will show you the back of it. I've paired it up with my black jeans. They're very tired black jeans, can you see? They're actually no longer black. They've been washed so many times, but they fit so good and feel so comfy. They're not going anywhere. I'm taking them to Greece with me, but I will be doing a Zara denim haul, so check that out. And yeah, I really like this top. Really nice and light material, very breathable, easy to wear in this season. And another great thing is that you don't have to wear a bra, which is just heaven sent for me, because I just want to be comfortable. Sometimes I just want to be loose and I don't want that extra hassle. The next item from Nasty Girl was this really fun bodysuit. Like the colour of it, something a bit different, not black, not white. I have a tendency of buying those kind of colours. I want to step out the box. And then a really funky design. I love this kind of, you've got like a cut-out effect, and then you've got this like one shoulder. It's just really quirky and fun. The only downside that I would say is like the bust area. I wish they used what's it called, wire instead. I think wire would just taken the design up a notch and just made it look a lot nicer. But I still really like this, and I definitely will still wear it. I just love it. I think it's just, yeah, it reminds me of my personality. It's fun, you know, just quirky. But yeah, we like the bodysuit. As I said, it is a bodysuit. You've got some nice little clippers at the bottom. Just paired it up with some white jeans that I've got from River Island. I will show you the back of this top as well. And I got this top in a size UK 8. So yeah, something just fun, different, really nice for summertime. Nice, super stretchy material. That's a good thing. And yeah, it fits nice. I don't feel hot in it at all. It's a good dress. Top. The last item from Nasty Girl was this knitted maxi dress. I'm just not in love with it. I think it's just feeling a bit lumpy, and the material is just not what I expected. If you look online and you actually zoom in, it is this material, but I think from a distance it doesn't look as thick. So it's just a really like thick knitted material, and I was expecting it just to be a bit more like that kind of you know, a stretchy one, bit like less, like thinner thread. But it does feel really comfy on, and I do think it can be worn on those chilly days, because sometimes you want to look girly and fun, but the weather does not want you to do that. So I do think it is for one of those days, but personally for me it's just not a love. It does have buttons all the way on this side, so you can choose how much leg you want to expose. And then I will show you the back as well. I do have to say, it's also a dress that makes me look curvier than I actually am, which I don't have any problems or complaints about. I really like it for that effect. Okay guys, that was the end of my Nasty Girl haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and definitely make sure to check out my other videos. Bye!